Bring in Mike Massimino here in studio to talk more about this mission. He is a former NASA astronaut, professor of mechanical engineering at Columbia University, and senior advisor for space programs at the Intrepid Museum here in New York. An all-around cool guy. Good to have you with us here. So let's talk about the significance of this one. I mean, it's being called, quote, a big step for humanity. Help us understand just how important is this mission?
Well, it's kind of like an insurance policy, I guess, and just in case something happens. There's no evidence that we're going to be hit by any large object, anything close to this size for the next 100 years. We don't expect that to happen. But it's better to plan for it now than to try to. And hopefully this mission will be successful, and this is a great way to deflect an asteroid, change its orbit so it'll miss Earth if one's coming here eventually. But in any regard, they're going to learn a lot from this, if this technique works or not. So it's good to find that out now. And I think typically when we have something that could hurt us, we sometimes wait until it's getting really close or too late. And I think it's kind of a good idea that we're doing this way ahead of time, just in case something happens, so we can feel confident we can deflect something like this from happening.
Yeah, preparation now seems like a good call. What type of preparation, though, goes into making a mission like this happen?
Well, they had to think about this for a while. They launched this spacecraft back in like November of last year, so it's taken a long time to get there. It's pretty far away, and checking out, make sure it's going to work. And they're going to knock into this object. They have another small satellite, a European Space Agency satellite from the Italian Space Agency, that is going to be taking some imaging of what happened, so they'll be able to see if a lot of debris gets formed. They're going to hit this thing. The idea of blowing it up sometimes makes it worse because then you have more debris you got to worry about. So this is going to be a way just to deflect it, and then they'll see if a lot of debris comes up out of it. They'll be able to measure that. They're going to be looking at it from ground-based telescopes as well, and then they're going to be sending another probe to go see it in a couple of years to take some more imaging and measurements of what happened. So it's very interesting. It's a really clever way to do this. I think it's something that we see in the movies that we're worried about, oh, this might happen. We're really in no danger, absolutely in no danger of anything coming near us. But I think it's a good idea, because if something, a couple hundred years from now even, decides to make its way toward Earth, it could be catastrophic. So it's good that we're planning ahead of time.
Well, we quickly want to ask you about Artemis. It was supposed to happen tomorrow, delayed because of the storm. What do they do to protect the ship right now if the storm is coming in?
Yeah, so they're getting ready to, just in case, to roll back, and they're watching the storm. They thought they were going to make a decision yesterday about the rollback one way or the other, but they want to watch the storm a little bit more. What you have to consider, too, is that a lot of people who work down there at the Kennedy Space Center are involved with this project. So they may have to get out of town, too. Right? So they have to secure their homes and get out of there. So they want to roll it back in time, not only to protect the spaceship, but also to protect the employees that are working down there in case they got to run for it, right? They have to secure themselves, secure the home and get out. So I think they delayed their decision. They want to delay as long as they can because rolling back means they would miss the next opportunity to launch. So they weren't able, because of this weather situation, they were hoping to launch tomorrow, so they're not able to do that. So now they're looking at October 2nd. But if they roll it back into the vehicle assembly building for protection, then they're going to miss that opportunity, and you're looking at another few weeks until the beginning, the middle of October. You don't like to roll back either. It's kind of, it's some wear and tear involved there too. It's always, you never know. You're kind of tempting fate when you start doing that, going back and forth with this thing. It's in a good position now, except for the weather. So we'll see what they decide to do here.
All right, Mike, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Good to see you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.